Velvet Cake Dirty Sprite number 6. Now listen, I need you guys to hear me out just 1 second, okay? And don't fade away on me. But what I'm trying to do here is create something that hasn't been created before. And what I have found out in this drink will absolutely blow your mind. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. What we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna add in some ice. We're gonna do like half an ounce of red velvet flavor from Da Vinci. I don't usually use Da Vinci, but they are the only ones that really had a flavor like this. We're gonna crack open a can of Sprite and we're gonna fill it up probably about 3/4 the way just to leave more room. Now, as you can see, I had to add in the vanilla bean because I wanted it to be more cakey than red velvety, if that makes any sense. Half the time I really don't even know if I'm making sense to you guys, but I'm really just trying to show you how passionate I am about creating these mixes. So we're just gonna grab creamer and white chocolate sauce and pour it into our mixes. And as you can see, I tried to have a little bit of fun with that, but don't get too carried away with it, okay? Next, we're just gonna gradually progress in the speed of the hand frother from 1, 2 to 3. Now, when I say that, what I'm doing here is actually getting my creamer to become more of a texture that's equivalent to like silk. Because what I was aiming for is more like icing on a red velvet cake, And boy, oh boy, let me tell you, did I hit the mark on this one. When I tell you this is probably one of the most exquisite dirty Sprites that I made, I really cannot express any other emotions to you that explain this, because look at this. Look at this. Look how it just sits on top. It sits perfectly. It's more of a form of art at this point because it's just so freaking beautiful. Me and Jackson are going to taste test this at the end of this, but I almost didn't even want to spin it. As you can see, I was being hesitant about spinning it the way I normally do. I'm like, do you want to mess this up? No. Now in the comments, please let me know what you guys think I should do with this drink. Should I add it to the recipe ebook? Should I add it to the menu? What do you feel I should do with this drink? See you on the next episode.
Dude, that is fucking fire. That's good.